Lige, you'll be the boss in this in this job. Hello, we're sending the stretcher up now. Please stand by. You're the boss. I will be your secretary. First is Riska Alula female. Food poisoning. Oh! Oh my god! Oh god! Lige! Stop! Lige! Alin! Oh my god. Thank you. Jonah has claimed the cursed child. Wait, aron Lige the cursed child? You didn't took it. Saan yung crematory? This is the crematory. Close for the safety. Let go, Lige. Released. Okay. Open the door. Then move body to the okay, good. Close it. Scary. Turn on.
Ibutang ka to ah.
Nakibat ako. Sino gadagan niya to? It's burning. Wait. Lige? Babae ka ting?
Yeah.
Babae ka ting? Alin ang character?
Babae man.
What? Interesting.
Yes.
Kato ay lalaki ang maghampang. Interesting.
Collect bones.
And close. Oh.
Place bones.
It feels so realistic. 10 minutes left na lang. 10 minutes left na lang, Lige.
Nang tanda?
Paabot niya sanda. Take the thing and put this thing. And then place it to this. And then ikaw na bahala, Lige.
Ayan.
Oh god.
Attention.
Someone has
Then
to
this
check.
is petrol.
No, Lige. You're the boss. You have to check it. It's your duty as boss. Boss / manager. Sa akin na lang the stretcher. Gimme. Released. And then I will do it. Yes. Open the door. Sarado, Lige! Ah! My goodness!
I died.
We have 3 spawns left. Accept.
Grabe ah.
Hello, we're sending the stretcher up now. Please take the body on the room. No, I'm not gonna go there. May entity doon eh. Sing ka, Lige.
Tama pa.
Wag kang mag-left. Spawn. Yes. May 2 left na lang tayo. I will do it. Wala na monster. Oh, wala na. Tapos na yung job natin. Let's go dito, Lige, sa nga use lift. Since dito I go to room 10. Agto sa use lift, then agto sa room number 1. Yes. Where am I? Huh?
Yeah.
Lige.
Sipot kaya ako.
Agto sa stairs. And make a run for it. Oh, God. Oh my goodness. Hanapan do room 101.
Ito yung audio sa 101 ko.
What? Sino to? Lige ko yun. Stop laughing. Stop.
It's not me.
You laugh. Don't know. Huh?
Bukan.
Oh, tapos yun. Let's go back.
Ano masayang tapos na?
Like, we need to move. One minute na lang bago mag-abot do ano. The entities and I'm scared.
No. Hindi na nakita ko pag-ising dyan.
Ah. Like, lapit ka para mabuo mo the cursed child. Oh, never mind.
Ano yan?
Nandito yung... Never mind.
Eh, paano dyan?
Oh, hello.
Go.
Light! Protect me, Light! Sarada, Light! Sa pintuan, I'm scared.
Really?
Okay. Ang kaluluwa, Light, nadlock ko. Oh my god, bad position pa man ako.
Hindi ako kakuha
Aran.
to. Okay.
Nandun sa labas to monster, Light. Wag muna. I'm scared. Sino ra?
Hindi siya natigo magpanin.
Faris Nugroho. Rope collapse. I'm scared. I'm scared. Kung ma-open natin daw, slow abi magsarado the door nga ra. Slow. Sterilisa. Balik kita sa main lobby, which is I don't know. Sa morgue's room. Yes, tama. Nagasala ako kara. Saan yung sterilization?
Yeah. Tandaan ko pa na.
Alerts.
Tawag yung tumakas ko doon, no?
Yeah, I'm scared.
No.
Yes. Kung ako karon like stay away ta ako sa piton dahil automatic nga ga bukas ron. Move the stretcher.
Kailangan ako.
God, yet with the push button. Okay, I'm leaving.
Ano to? Move the structure.
Turn on the water. Where's the water? No. Take the soap. Huh? Take the soap. Clean the body. Ah, yes, because I'm the secretary, I will do the work.
Attention.
Yung interview yun.
Do not open the door. Do not open the door. I'm scared.
Body has been cleaned.
Turn off the water. I'm scared. Wow, at the same time, light sink. Ano meaning karon? We're dead. Take the sprout. Oh my god, the sprout sheet. Yapa man malapit sa pintuan. Ibutang mo light sa ano, sa table. Sa second table.
Ito.
Yes. Put the body. Yes, move the body. Go light, change the sheet. I'm scared. Another one.
Okay.
Isa pa. Yes.
Okay, one hit sanda.
You did. It's very calm. Suspicious. Let's go, Light. Make a call, Light. Make a call. Hello?
Yan na.
Hello. Tantan, do not touch that light. That's the different ending. I can spawn entity per walk Robux. I have three Robux.
Pwede ba kitang i-attack ni Karan na lang?
Yes,
Take
anywhere. We're sending the stretcher up. Oh! God. Oh my God. Diyos ko Lord man, nakibot lang ako. Ako niya kaluluwa, lumipad.
Yan.
Ah, it's a troll. Ay nako. No. Stop. It scares me. Hello, we're sending the stretcher up now. Please stand by. Are you sure that's the real Stretcher?
Yun. Ay, the stretcher na.
Oh, it's the dead person. Right? Alin to? Alin to? Alin to? Alin to? Alin to?
Let's go na lang dyan.
Lige, kay Masuri, papunta na yung patrol.
Attention. Attention.
No. The work must be done. I'm the Lige. I'm scared. Another, pila lang nun? 2 lang. Ay, bukon, 1 left na lang yung respawn, Lige. Oh, you're in trouble.
Yan.
Oh my god! Oh my god, nabuksan na the door. Why? Why? Lige! Protect me! Binuksan niya the door!
Buksan na.
Oh, buksan, tanan na! Yung the crawling lady. God, yung akong screen is shaking. It means my character is scared too. Oh, okay na?
Waon dyan.
I'm scared. Okay. 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 Oops.
I'm here na.
Oops. Gimove ko pa do. Ano do? I'm scared.
Garo, kakibot tabi ako ka to.
Sabi niya, nag-check ako sa time. Wait, bakit 00 tanda? What is the meaning of this?
Si Ekon eh.
Oh, no. Basi anomaly. Nagbalik kita. Sweet. Clean. Sayang, wala akong kita. My goodness. Nadlo kasi ako eh.
Ano dagi na move yung bad?
Gonna take one and do strap, then butang na rin sa table. Sa likod mo. Move the body. Scary. 30 minutes, no? I forgot 10 minutes. Paabot yung man do entity human. So, saka niya ako sa Ikara. Adi lang. Wait lang. Ara. Okay.
Okay na.
Okay. Kaya prepared ako. Malapit na, oh. 10 minutes na lang.
Ano, yung mga...
Paabot do monster and I'm scared. Di mo alam ba si may, kaya mabukas do pintuan. I'm scared. Lige, you're gonna die, Lige. I'm telling you. You're gonna die. One more hit at it's over na for you.
Attention.
Paano kung Ray nga
Attention.
dead person nga sa lamisa? Paano kung yung mga tindog? In your doom. In your doom, I'm telling you. Make a call, Lige.
Okay, wait.
Okay, goodbye. Goodbye, Ghostly. Anong oras yun?
Grabe ba?
I forgot kung anong oras kita matapos.
Yan na.
Accept. Hello, we're sending the stretcher up. Please take the body under. Oh my god, Lige. We have to hide somewhere. Somewhere. Sino taguan? Lige. Close the door. Wag tayo magpariski. Pero may 50-50 chance nga gaspawn sa room. Go.
Again.
Yes. We're good to go na po. Make the call. Make the call, boss. We have 20 minutes left to go. Hello, the body was... Okay.
20 minutes na lang.
Dumapaw. Morgue's floor room. Okay. We're sending the stretcher. Okay. Oh! There's a people. Morgue's room. Lige, we only have one minute. 1 minute. 10 minutes. Place the stretcher. I'm scared. I don't know, scared ba ako sa entity or scared niya you're gonna die na? Close. I don't know, Lige, di kita makaabot ka ra? You can climb? Hala, you can climb.
Yeah.
Hara, ang strategy kung may monster, hara yun. Pero hindi plano. Pero basta wag ka lang magtok sa likod dahil you will fall. Kala kung tao sa ladder, pero hindi ka makasaka. Unless... Oh my god. Wah! Tago ako.
Attention.
Ano, so lang 10 minutes yung entity, di ba?
10 minutes, yes. Powder free. Disposable latex glove. This is water spray. Basa, Vera Lige. What does it say? Dito sa poster. This.
Delater standardisasi.
What does it mean?
Pinangganan sa professional. Peralatan lengkap and modern. Processes why siyariat. I don't know.
Yun, we make a college.
Yeah.
This stretcher is done. Doom. Never mind. No, Lige! You left the stretcher. I'm hearing things and I'm scared. We only have 20 minutes. I'll put the stretcher on the left. Okay. 6:30 atong shift, I think. 6:30 or 6:50? 2:10 pa lang ba? 2:10 pa lang. 2, 3, 4, 5. So may mga ano pa? May 3 hours pa? 3 hours to go. Hurry! There's 10 minutes na lang gid and I'm scared. Morgue's room na naman. Yes, there's more cleaning to do. There's the stretcher. Ay, ginasunog o freezer da. Ay, wait, siya na naman, no? Si Tanya. Si Tanya again.
Tanya.
So, I feel
Hindi ko tingin nakaabot para.
I feel like ina-transfer na siya. Di yun kita makaabot. Or, willing to take the risk. Pero, I think gusto ni Elijah mag-win. Gusto mo Elijah mag-win?
Yes.
Alright. So, she doesn't wanna take the risk.
Attention.
Good. Yeah ko.
Iya ko. Oh, hi. Kaya ko pa nga na makasaka kahit may stretcher.
I'm protected here.
Are you sure? Paano yung crawling lady?
No.
Paano yung...
Chorus?
Like, do not be stuck. That's the worst part.
Bukas it ko na to high. Kaya crawl.
Tawani, bigla na open the door. Strange. Yung mga hindi yung mga hindi na ako niya natapos ng game ng mga horror, yung hindi ko tapos, i-play natin para matapos.
Yeah.
I'm curious.
Okay.
Yes. May una, may mga, kubaba, may mga gingawan ako natapos sa akong kasama. Yan, let's move. This. Um,
Okay.
so, okay. And what will happen to that body? Ibutan ba sinunod sa coffin? Then, ibalik man ang Daimoya para maging ashes. Yan ba? Yan ba yung ano?
Wait.
Oh, another call boss.
Hello, 10 minutes ito, John.
Nene, hurry. Open the door. Another morgue.
Naman.
Boating accident. Rifty. Alam. Oh! Goodness gracious! Lige, you're gonna die!
Almost.
Yeah. Oh my god. Close the door, Lige. Lige, nakita ko talaga nga na, nag-fly kating. Nag-send flying kating. Pero sayang, Lige.
Garus. Akala ko kanho.
Akala ko mamamatay ka na. Akala ko yan na yung final fate mo. Nga pa nga ni. Dali yan, kalma, hanay.
Akala ko kanho.
Attention.
Imagine mo.
Attention.
Parang jump scare lang.
No, it's not. I would recommend to hide. Or never mind. Iya ka lang, Lige, tago. You'll be saved.
Yeah.
Dito. Just
Why
hide.
I have a broom?
Oh no, we're gonna clean. Kaya man natin sandalay si ano, like, ano tawag ka, no? I-outrun. So yes, you'll be fine. Clean.
Attention.
Oh my
Attention.
goodness! The monster! As long as, ano, do not move, Lige.
Naman.
We're making eye contact.
Pero, sa room ako, John.
Very good. I am making eye contact. Habang ga-clean. Clean. Buhay ka pa, Lige?
Yeah.
Good. I feel like may something sa morgue. I feel like nandun yung entity. Or nasa taas ba? Depende. What will happen if I move forward?
Kita ka na kan, John.
Huh? Yes.
Sa gilid ka.
Do you see? Oh, he's gone. Let's go na, Lige.
Okay.
Walang, ano, dirty sa morgue. May dirty ba dyan? Sa taas kaya?
Awa.
There could be dirty. Check the floor. Dirty? Imagine nun mo, Lige, nga mag-black out tapos need na tawag to sa taas.
Ngani.
Yes. Hato do, ano, do fuse box. Dirty?
Ikaw na ba gabal sa mar?
The who?
Gabal sa mar.
Monster ba yan? One more pa?
Yeah.
Anong room?
Yung gakuan ho.
The what?
Tangan niya.
I feel
Where
like
are you, John?
I'm here. I'm in the coffin. Ah. Poor
This is
soul.
my coffin.
Poor soul. I'm jiggling. Iya ko tago, Lige.
Go.
Clean na ni kita. We must respect the coffin. Astig the flower. Ang ganda. Texture. I-rate mo, Lige.
Attention.
Parang
Attention.
compounds lang siya.
Pwede mo nga ano itagon? Unavailable. Enable nanog apon kita. I feel like sa sterilization do ano the last. Who is willing to Oh my god. Oh my god, Lige.
Naman.
It could be yung the crown lady or the floating lady. Narinig ko anong tawa. It could be the floating lady or the crawling lady. Clean.
Ano ko nabutian?
Oh!
Naman.
Malapit siya. Clean. Agto di ka ra. Agto ya sa middle, tas konting diretso lang marinig mo mo. Go. Karaw.
Oo. Gusto mo pa.
Hindi maganda. Konting diretso.
Ay, wow, ang galing ma.
Stop! Ay, okay na. Yan, we're going down na. We're going down. We must clean. We must do our duty first. Paano kung di ka ra? Storage room.
Yung phone mo. Uwa.
Okay. Go down, Lige.
Pati kaya. Uwa.
Okay, it's good. Praying room. There's nothing. We must go down sa sterilization. Ay, nako. Maliso talaga i-pronounce. We must hurry, Lige. 10 minutes na lang. I'm scared.
Tapos di yung manakatmanto siya.
Sindo dirt eh.
Parang,
Kaya na itong outrun.
no.
No. We can outrun. We can Lige, okay ka lang?
Yeah.
Nag-T-pone
I'm
ka, ting?
here.
You just T-poned.
I'm...
You T-posed. You're T-posed. Are you a monster? Oh, nag-T-pose ka. Are you a monster?
No.
Are you a dupliganger?
Attention.
No.
Suspicious. Oh my god. Akala ko stuck ako. Kita mo, Lige, the sink. May red or rusted ba to? There's blood. Blood or rusted? May red eh. Di ka makasaka di Karn, Lige. Kung stretcher. Are you good? Are you
The phone.
okay, Lige? I feel like you're not. I feel like. Oh, I'm running. Lige, halin di ka.
Gogi. Ano to?
Kupo lang ako ay. Lige, wag kang mag-take a risk. Mag-wait ka na lang. Malapit na matapos atong shift, Lige. So we can leave at mag-quit na tayo. Mag-quit na rin.
Hello.
Hello, sino ron?
Si Mama.
Oh.
Okay. Na.
We need to finish this para mag-quit na tayo sa tong. Oh my god. Mag-quit na tayo sa tong job.
Yes.
Basi possess pagkat mga aswang.
Ilang hours na lang kaya?
6:30. So 4:40 pa lang. We need to move, Lige. We need to hurry up. Dito, room sa laboratory number 2. We need to find a room, Lige. Fronto. No time.
Room 2.
Yes. Lock the door, Lige. Ay, bon. Yes, closed. You're gonna burn. Tama ba yun? You're gonna burn.
Yeah.
Siya to? Oh my god, Lige. Look. Look.
Oh.
Tapos, Lige, mag-jump prime Moki mo, then you're died.
No.
I feel like 1 or 2 shifts na lang.
Walang kwan doon ho.
Bone?
Ayun, sorry. Alam ko walang bone.
Pati do bone nasunog. Like, nag-became ashes na agad. Oops. Hapindot ko do jump scare all.
Yali.
Severe asthma attack. Oh my goodness.
Ara, take sa ano to.
Take the ashes. Ashes ba yun? Yes. Okay.
Okay na.
Wait. Nakabot pa kita?
Na.
Woo! Open the door, Lige. Make a call.
Na, okay lang.
Yes, it will be fine. Oh, never mind. Are you willing to risk?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! The soul left my body. Oh my god! Why?
Ibaba mo ko dyan.
Akala ko katapusan na ng mundo mo, Lige. Everyone wants to kill you. Yay! Congrats, Lige. We quit. Ay, alin to?
Shift incomplete daw.
Ging ended mo ay?
What? No, I didn't end the shift. The shift has ended. You made it to morning. But the number of the bodies handled during the shift was below the required standard.
Okay, that's good.
Bodies handled.
Ship incomplete.
Okay.